DeFi, how it's changing the crypto landscape. Welcome again to your favorite channel, Crypto Dava, our video on DeFi, how it's changing the crypto landscape. Over the last few years, DeFi has emerged as a revolutionary force in cryptocurrency, offering decentralized financial solutions that challenge traditional banking and finance. With billions of dollars locked in DeFi protocols, it's clear that this is more than just a passing trend. In this video, we'll explore what DeFi is, how it works, and why it's changing the crypto landscape forever. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about one of the most exciting developments in the world of crypto. What is DeFi? Overview. DeFi, or decentralized finance, is a new paradigm in the cryptocurrency world that is changing how we think about financial services. Simply put, DeFi is a system of financial applications built on top of blockchain technology that allows for the creation of decentralized, trustless financial services. Unlike traditional finance, where financial institutions act as intermediaries, DeFi allows individuals to transact directly with each other without the need for centralized authority. Users can access financial services like lending, borrowing, trading, and more without going through a bank or other financial institution. DeFi applications are built on decentralized networks like Ethereum, which provide the infrastructure for smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms of agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into the lines of code. These smart contracts enable the creation of decentralized applications that can automate financial transactions and enforce the terms of the agreement securely and transparently. DeFi has gained significant momentum recently, with billions of dollars locked in DeFi protocols and a growing community of developers and users. With the potential to offer financial services to the unbanked and underbanked populations worldwide, DeFi is a game changer, redefining what it means to be financially empowered. How is DeFi working through smart contracts? At the heart of DeFi lies the concept of smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing computer programs that automatically execute the terms of a contract when certain conditions are met. In the context of DeFi, smart contracts are used to automate financial transactions without the need for intermediaries. For example, let's say you want to borrow money through a DeFi lending platform. You would deposit cryptocurrency into a smart contract holding your collateral. The smart contract would then automatically lend you funds from the platform's liquidity pool based on the value of your collateral. The loan terms, including interest rates and repayment schedules, would be coded into the smart contract, executing automatically without needing a middleman. Once you repay the loan, the smart contract will release your collateral. Smart contracts are transparent, tamper-proof, and enforceable, which makes them ideal for financial transactions. They eliminate the need for trust between counterparties and provide a level of security unmatched by traditional financial institutions. DeFi applications use smart contracts in various ways, from decentralized exchanges that allow users to trade cryptocurrencies without the need for a centralized exchange to prediction markets that allow users to bet on the outcome of real-world events. Opportunities in DeFi. DeFi is a rapidly growing space with many exciting opportunities for investors, developers, and users. Here are just a few of the opportunities available in DeFi. Yield farming. Users can lend their cryptocurrency to DeFi protocols in exchange for rewards such as new tokens or a share of the platform's transaction fees. Decentralized exchanges. Decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, allow users to trade cryptocurrencies without a centralized exchange. Stablecoins. They provide stability in the volatile cryptocurrency markets and can be used for payments, lending, and other financial services. DeFi lending. DeFi lending platforms allow users to borrow and lend cryptocurrency without needing a centralized intermediary. Prediction markets. Prediction markets allow users to bet on the outcome of real-world events such as elections or sporting events. Decentralized versus centralized finance. Decentralized finance is often compared to traditional finance, which is centralized and controlled by financial institutions like banks and governments. While both systems provide financial services, they have some key differences. First and foremost, decentralized finance is built on networks like Ethereum, which allow for trustless financial transactions through smart contracts. This means that users can transact directly with each other without the need for intermediaries like banks or governments. In contrast, traditional finance relies on centralized intermediaries to facilitate financial transactions. Decentralized finance also offers more transparency and security than traditional finance. Because DeFi transactions are recorded on a public blockchain, they are transparent and auditable. This makes it more difficult for fraud and corruption to take place. Additionally, DeFi smart contracts are tamper-proof, meaning that they cannot be changed once they have been deployed. This provides a level of security that is unmatched by traditional finance. However, there are also some drawbacks to decentralized finance. Because DeFi is still a relatively new space, a higher risk is involved than in traditional finance. Additionally, because DeFi is decentralized, there is no centralized authority to provide regulatory oversight or to act as a lender of last resort in times of crisis. How is DeFi changing finance? DeFi is transforming finance in many ways. Its decentralized nature eliminates the need for intermediaries, while smart contracts automate processes, increase efficiency, and reduce costs. DeFi's innovation and accessibility offer new financial services to those previously excluded from traditional finance, and its interoperability across protocols allows for the seamless execution of complex financial transactions. This disruption is fueled by the open-source nature of DeFi, which enables rapid innovation and growth. Key benefits and risks. DeFi is not just about disrupting traditional finance, it's also about empowering individuals by giving them more control over their finances. Here are some of the key benefits that DeFi offers. Financial freedom. With DeFi, you are the boss. You have control over your assets and you can transact directly with others without intermediaries. Accessibility. DeFi is open to anyone with an internet connection, regardless of where they are in the world of their financial status. Innovation. DeFi is a hotbed of innovation, constantly developing new financial products and services. But with great benefits come great risks. Here are some of the key risks to keep in mind. Smart contract risk. Smart contracts are only as good as the code they are written in. If there is a bug or vulnerability in the code, it can lead to financial losses for users. Volatility. DeFi is still a nascent market, and prices can be highly volatile. This means that users should be prepared for potential losses. Liquidity risk. Some DeFi platforms have low liquidity, making buying or selling assets difficult. This can lead to slippage and other issues. DeFi applications use cases. DeFi is not just a concept. It's a rapidly growing ecosystem with many real-world applications and use cases. Here are some of the most popular DeFi applications and how they are changing finance. Decentralized exchanges. DEXs. DEXs allow users to trade cryptocurrencies directly with each other without the need for intermediaries. This can lead to lower fees and increased privacy. Lending and borrowing platforms. DeFi enables users to earn interest on their cryptocurrency holdings or borrow cryptocurrency at competitive rates. This can be a useful alternative to traditional lending and borrowing platforms. Stablecoins. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies pegged to the value of a stable asset, such as the US dollar. They can be used as a store of value or a medium of exchange, and they offer the stability of traditional fiat currencies with the benefits of cryptocurrency. Insurance. DeFi insurance platforms allow users to hedge against financial risks like smart contract failures or hacks. They can help protect their investments and provide greater peace of mind. Prediction markets. DeFi prediction markets enable users to bet on the outcome of real-world events such as elections or sporting events. How can I make money with DeFi? Are you ready to earn some serious money with DeFi? Great! Here are some of the most exciting ways to make money with DeFi. Yield farming. Imagine earning hundreds or even thousands of % in APY, annual percentage yield, just by holding your cryptocurrency in a DeFi platform. That's the power of yield farming. With yield farming, you can earn high returns by moving your cryptocurrency between different DeFi protocols and taking advantage of the highest yields. It's like a game of musical chairs, but with money. Liquidity provision. By providing liquidity to a DeFi platform, you can earn fees on every trade using your funds. And the best part, you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Staking. By holding your cryptocurrency in a DeFi platform and staking it, you can earn rewards in the form of more cryptocurrency. It's like earning interest on your savings account, but better. Trading. If you're an experienced trader, DeFi platforms offer a range of exciting trading opportunities, including margin trading, futures trading, and options trading. With the high volatility of cryptocurrency markets, the potential for big profits is always there for the taking. Investing. If you're looking for a long-term investment opportunity, DeFi platforms and tokens offer great growth potential. By investing in the right projects, you can benefit from the explosive growth of the DeFi ecosystem and potentially earn huge returns. The future of DeFi. The future of DeFi is mind-blowing. It's like watching a sci-fi movie, but the best part is, it's all happening in real life. DeFi is revolutionizing the world of finance, and here are some of the most exciting developments that will make you pinch yourself. Interoperability. Do you know how your favorite streaming platforms have started to work together to give you a seamless experience? That's what DeFi interoperability is all about. In the future, we'll be able to move our assets between different DeFi protocols with just a few clicks, thanks to the power of blockchain. Layer 2 scaling solutions. Do you hate waiting in line? Who doesn't, right? That's why DeFi developers are working on Layer 2 scaling solutions like optimistic rollups and ZK rollups that will make transactions lightning fast so you won't have to wait in line for your turn. Decentralized identity. Say goodbye to pesky identity checks. With DeFi's decentralized identity, you can prove your identity without relying on any central authority. It's like having a superpower that makes identity theft and fraud a thing of the past. DeFi insurance. Nobody likes to lose their hard-earned money, and that's where DeFi insurance comes in. We expect to see more DeFi insurance protocols covering risks like hacks, exploits, and other nasty surprises, so you can sleep easy knowing your money is safe and sound. Cross-chain integration. Imagine being able to move your assets between different blockchains like you move your furniture between rooms. That's the future of DeFi with cross-chain integration. It's like having a magic carpet that can take you to any blockchain you want, unlocking a whole new world of possibilities. Well, folks, that's all we have today on DeFi and its impact on the crypto landscape. We hope that you enjoyed this deep dive into decentralized finance and how it's changing how we think about money. DeFi is still in its infancy, but the potential for growth and innovation is enormous. We can't wait to see where this exciting journey takes us, and we hope you'll be along for the ride. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.